Here's the video teach for up, down, up, snare drum duet. Let's start with part one. We're going to start with the saying 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 2 and 1, 2. 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2. 1, 2 and 1, 2. Try it again. And 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. All right, the weird parts are the paradiddles. So let's play measure 4, right a diddle left. Ready and a go. Ready and a go. Last time, go. Now measure 5 has 2 paradiddles, followed by a release, left, right on the rim. Again, we're aiming for the shoulder of the stick. You have the taper, the shoulder, and the shaft. That's where you want to hit the rim to make the best sound. Measure 5 and 6, ready, go. Again, and go. Last time, ready, go. Here's beginning to 12. We'll play it and ready and say it. 1, 2, 1. Right and left. 1, 2, 2. Again and go and 1, 2, 1. One, 2. Now here's 12 to 17. Clap and count it. Ready, go. 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2. So very similar to what we've already done. Here's 12 to 17. We'll play it. 2 and ready and go and 1. Again, 12 to 17, and ready and go, 1. Here's 17, take it to the end. It's the same for both lines, and ready and clap it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 E and a 3. No, I fault. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1. Again, 17 and clap and count. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1. Next line. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1. Last time, clap and count it. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1. 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1, 2. Now we're going to dig into it. So this is the same line twice, so we're only going to learn it one time. We have snare, rim, 2 and a 1. Let's try 17, 18 and go. Snare, rim, snare, and go. Last time, go. Then measure 19, you kind of have that snare, rim, buzz, 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 tap. Go. And go. And go. Here's 17, 18, 19, and 20. Ready, go. Again, ready and go. All right, 17 to the end. Ready and go. And 2. Here's the whole thing from the top. Ready and go. 1, 2, 1. One, two, 2, 1. And 2 and. All right, this time with no counting. 2, 1. All right, here's part 2. And clap and count it. This is beginning to 12. And ready and say it. 1, 2, 1. 2 and 1. And 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2. 1, 2, 1. 2, 1. Again from the top. Ready and go. 1, 2, 1. 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. All right, let's just try that intro. You have 2 and 1 and 1, 2, 3. Again and 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 2 and 1 and 2 and. Then it's fairly simple after that. You have snare, 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 rim, paradiddle, paradiddle, 3, rim, rim. Can we just do measure 4 and 5? And ready, 4 and 5. Again and go. Add the next 2 rims, 4, 5, and 6. And ready and go. Again and 4. Here's beginning to 12. Replay it. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. And 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Measure 12 to 17 is very similar. Let's clap and count it. Ready and go. 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2. So the only thing that's different is you're starting with the rim click. Here we go. 12 to 17. We'll play it. 2. Ready and go. 1, 2 and 2 and 1. Again. 12. Ready go. 1, 2. All right, let's clap and count 17 to the end, all 8 measures. 2, it repeats, kind of go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1, 2. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 E and a 1, 2. Again, ready, clap and count it. 1E and a 2E and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2E and a 1, 2. 1E and a 2E and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2E and a 1, 2. Let's play some of it. This is 17 and 18 only. You have buzz, 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 tap, 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 tap. Ready and play. Ready, go. Ready, go. Now here's 19. Boom, click, buzz, buzz, tap. Ready, go. Ready, go. 19, 20. Last time. 17 to the end. 17, go. And 2 and. Again, 17 and ready, go. And 2 and. Here's the whole thing beginning to end, part 2. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. 17. And 2 and. My fault in the very end. Here we go, from the beginning to the end, no counting, no anything. We're at 70 beats per minute. And 1, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 1. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and good luck on putting this together. Thank you for watching. Bye.